morning, around the house with Kay and Tom. I went to the farmer's market the other day and I bought a cantaloupe. They didn't have a lot of them that looked very good, but this looked about the best one they had. I got a watermelon, which I've already cut open, got cut in half. And so what I'm going to do today, and I've got some grapes. So what I'm going to do today is just fix a simple fruit salad. So we're going to start off with the cantaloupe. And it is really, really ripe. Like I say, they didn't have very many to even choose from. So we'll just cut it open and get the seeds out and cut it up. Memorial Day weekend, so everybody wants fruit for all your cookouts. This is just going to be a simple, there's a little bad spot on that one, so we're going to cut that out to start off with. There you go. So what we're going to do is just slice this up. Then we're going to cut it up in pieces. We're going to do the same thing with the watermelon. We're going to add the grapes. Stir it all together. Put it in the refrigerator. And then for our cookout, we'll have fruit. This is really simple to do. I'm just going to use a bowl to put it all in. And I like to cut off that little top layer right there. Some people don't. It's your preference, but to me, I always just cut off that little top layer. And so what we're going to do is just dice it up. Some people melon balls. The good thing about this is that you can fix it the night before, and that will be one less thing that you'll have to worry about if you are having a cookout. And it'll also have time to really get cold. This is really a quick video. I got the cantaloupe cut up. Now we're going to do the watermelon right quick. I've already cut half of the watermelon and cut it up. And I carried it to a meeting that I had, and this is just the other part of it. And a good way to cut this is just cut it in pieces like, and then you can just go down here and just cut it all out, and you've got your watermelon. And this one did say seedless, but I do see that you got to have sun seeds. So we're just going to, if you see any, just take them out. And we're just going to cut up the other part of it. One of these days I'm going to take time to learn how you make watermelon rind pickle, because I'm forever having watermelon through the summertime down here, and some people say the rind makes a good pickle. I have now got my cantaloupe and my watermelon cut up, so just stir it up just a little bit. Okay, and I've got some grapes, green seedless grapes. They're really sweet. And I'm going to put a cup of grapes that I have already washed. I'm just going to pour them in there. You can cut them in half if you want to, but I'm just going to leave them whole. There you go. And this is really a quick video. Cover it up. Put it in the refrigerator. If anybody just comes over, we've got something I can offer them for a snack. And if we decide to have a cookout, we have got a watermelon, cantaloupe, grape salad. I think all my grapes went to the bottom. Watermelon, cantaloupe, grapes salad. And again, this is around the house with Kay and Tom. Simple, quick. Good thing to have through the summertime. Hope y'all enjoyed seeing this little video. Give me your comments. Thank you for watching my channel. Please join. Love to hear from you. And have a good day. And happy Memorial Day.